The U.S. stock market crashes once again. Just yesterday, the last opening day, we had 1,000 point crash almost. We had the next day, we had green. And here we are again with almost another 700 point crash. Now things are getting very, very, very interesting because the funny money, the printing of money risk has really affected the fear mindset of investors from rookies all the way through pension funds. Okay, because we all know that the stock market is being propped up, is being pinned to the wall because of funny money. And when the Fed stops with the funny money, here comes the crash. Okay, and my prediction is that we're going to see 40 to 60% correction, crash, whatever you want to term it, because in English you can use a lot of words to disguise what's really happening. So whatever floats your boat and tickles your pickle, use that word. But in my definition, we're going to see massive losses in the stock market, or we will see civil unrest, or we're going to see an exhalation, a faster pace of the dollar being destroyed as the world reserve currency because of all the printing that we're doing.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on for just $97 a month. Join me now at mrnofluff.com. Lastly, the best six-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.
Now, it's no secret that we don't produce anything in America besides debt instruments. What do I mean by debt instruments? Well, think about it. Mortgage-backed securities. Think about it. Reverse mortgages. Think about it. ARM. Think about it. Shorts and puts and all the stuff on, what Wall Street creates. So in America, what we do really is we got in a way of producing stuff with our hands, and we're creating stuff virtually and packaging it up and selling it on Wall Street and allowing a lot of people around the world to buy into it. And so there is no wonder that big corporations like, not to name a few, but there's a lot of them that buy their own stocks to prop up their own books, right? Just if the American economy can print money and prop his and print money and prop his own, cook his own books to make it look good, why can U.S. corporations? And that's what they're doing. So here we're not producing really anything besides debt instruments and getting people in 7-year car mortgages, getting them into a 30-year home mortgages with amortization. If you don't know what amortization is, then that's why so many people are never owning a home. Okay, so we're really good at debt production. We're really horrible at actual good production. We used to be the number one. We used to be king of the hill in the 20s and 30s. Now we outsourced it down to China, and now they're becoming the king of the hill, and we don't like it. And right now we have our warships in everyone's butt, from China to Russia to Iran to Venezuela, because we got to protect that dollar. And the side effect for you and for me is that we are being brainwashed to believe that we're not good enough, that we're too short, we're too fat, we're too skinny, we're too built, we got too much muscle, we don't have enough muscle, whatever it is, through propaganda of marketing of big corporations, because all they want to do is make profits even if that means making you into a zombie. Now, the zombies are everywhere. Everyone's in their phone, into their Facebook, into their Instagram, into their YouTube channel, and so on and so on. I see people bicycling and looking at their phones. I see people walking at the park looking at their phones. It's just the zombies are everywhere, and so this is all by training to make us into zombies, so we can consume their worthless crap. Why they tax us and work us to death by having inflation run mad like it is now, okay? Because someone is benefiting by inflation. They want the whole society to work, not only in America and Russia and China, to work harder and harder and harder. And these are the people in control of the money, which then control Big Brother, which then controls us. So it's just a pretty simple, the old saying, whoever has the gold makes the rules. And, we know who has the gold: central bankers, and they're making the rules for everyone else, okay, for their own agenda. Now, the most amazing thing that I want to tell you is that you're powerful, that you have your imagination is more powerful than you can realize, that you can create with just your thoughts. You don't have to have credit or FICO score or some kind of magic gift or have a credit, college degree. You can just close your eyes and create out of your heart. And this is the power that the elite and big corporations don't want you and me to know, that we can heal ourselves, that we can create wealth for ourselves, that we can be happy, we can ingel ourselves because of negative thinking and through our consciousness. And I'm here to let you know that you're beautiful, that you're kind, that you're powerful, that you're a giver, that you're tenacious, that you're brave, and you can do anything, and literally anything, as long as you believe it. And the hardest thing is to believe that we can do it, because of all the conditionings that we receive from school, junior high, high school, that says you're an A, you're a B, you're a C, etc., that define who we are by some letter. But we're so more than that. And I want to let you know that your FICO score doesn't matter. Debt doesn't matter. What matters is your will, your drive, your motivation, your ability to create. And to do that, you got to be a loving individual. You got to just, serve others versus serving yourself. And when you serve others, then end of the day, you serve yourself. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Click the like button. Don't take no for answer. And get ready. We're going to go into some great times for opportunity, and a lot of people are going to get wrecked thanks to the federal bankers. Thanks, guys. Love to hear your comments.